Welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 10, Problem Solving Investigation. The essential question for this chapter is, how can I communicate multiplication? Today is the green lesson, so that means there'll be lots of word problems. The strategy for this week, or this chapter, is estimate or exact answer. So how can you tell in a word problem if you have an estimate or exact answer? Well, a good clue if it's an estimate is this word about. If you see the word about, you can have an idea that that's a keyword for an estimate. Okay, so let's take a look. There are 5 girls in Dina's scout troop. They are going to an amusement park. Children's tickets cost $22. What is the total cost of admission? Is an estimate or an exact answer needed? Okay, so I'm seeing this word total, but it doesn't say what is the total cost close to, or about how much does it cost. It just asks for the total cost. So I think this is an exact answer that they're looking for. Well, let's take a look. What facts do you know? One is always understand. What facts do I know? Well, I know the price of admission is $22 for each girl. And there are 5 girls. Okay, what do I need to find? I need to find the total cost of admission and whether an estimate or an exact answer is needed. And we have already decided it's going to be exact. Okay, now we need a plan. The girls will need to know exactly how much to pay. So they need an exact answer. Find $22 times 5. Okay, and they've already set the problem up for us. So 5 times 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1. So that's 11. Okay, and I want to check, because down here it's going to say check. So I'm going to check a different way by drawing my area model or my partial products model. So I'm going to say 5 times 20 times 2. 5 times 20, okay, well, I know 5 times 2 is 10. And I've got to keep the same amount of zeros. And 5 times 2 is 10. And that equals, if I add 100 plus 110, 110. So I got the answer. So the troop needs $110 to go to the music park. Does my answer make sense? Yes. My answer makes sense because, and then give a reason. I'm going to say because I multiplied using 2 methods and got the same answer. Okay. All right, let's flip it over. Each motorized scooter at the scooter store costs $75. About how much would 7 motorized scooters cost? Is an estimate or an exact answer needed? Okay, so I see this about, that's the key word, that it's estimate. They don't want to know exactly how much it costs. They want to know about how much it costs. So number 1, understand. What facts do I know? I know that each scooter costs $75. And I also know that there are 7 scooters that would be sold. Okay, what do I need to find? I need to find about how much 7 scooters cost. That's what I need to find. Okay, now I need a plan. Okay, well, the question has the word about in it. This means that an estimate is needed. Okay, how do I get that? I will round 75 and multiply by 7. Okay, you can pause it if you're still copying. Okay, solve. Okay, so to solve, I said I was going to round, so 75 times 7, but 75 would go to 80. It's 5 and up, push it up. So 80 times 7. And I know from my math facts that 8 times 7 is 56, and keep that 0. Okay, so it's 560 is going to be my estimate, okay? And how it wants me to check, so I just want to check by finding the exact answer. So let's see. 7 times 7 is 49. Add a 0. 7 times 5 is 35. Okay, so now I have 90 plus 35. 5 is 2, carry the 1, 5. Okay, so my real answer would be 525, and my estimate was 560. So that's pretty close. So does my answer make sense? Yes. $75 times 7 equals $525, which is close to my estimate of 560. Okay, now let's see. For dinner tonight, I had a bowl of pad thai that I cooked up. So I drew some pad thai because I was thinking about pad thai. So you can either draw some pad thai or feel free to draw what you ate for dinner. Okay, see you in class.